In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for lawyers, a step-by-step guide. Let's start by routing your legal research and analysis to the right processing tier so you get accurate output without wasting time. Use the instant tier when you need speed for straightforward work. It's great for proofreading standard administrative correspondence, formatting case citations, drafting simple boilerplate clauses, or summarizing clean, straightforward meeting transcripts. When your task involves complex reasoning, like untangling overlapping statutory definitions, reverse engineering corporate entity frameworks, analyzing transactional risk metrics, or reviewing multi-clause liability loops, switch to the thinking tier. This tier applies deep reasoning logic pipelines, which helps minimize errors in nuanced, multi-step legal analysis. A quick tip: if your prompt mentions cross-references, layered definitions, or conditional clauses, default to the thinking tier. Next, protect confidentiality by running de-identified audits rather than uploading client documents. Abstract the facts and variables, replacing names and numbers with neutral placeholders. Then use this prompt. Act as a senior corporate restructuring partner, elite commercial litigator, and master contract risk analyst. Review the following abstracted, completely de-identified contractual clause provisions for systemic vulnerabilities. Identify potential ambiguities regarding insert specific issue, e.g., indemnification triggers, force majeure allocation, or calculation metrics for late performance penalties. Outline 3 ways an adversarial party could exploit this exact phrasing during active litigation, and provide a refactored, highly precise alternative draft that closes those liability loopholes. Here's the anonymized text. Insert anonymized clause text here. This approach preserves privilege and helps you stress test language before it becomes a litigation problem. For translating dense statutes into actionable guidance, strip away jargon without losing meaning. Act as a specialist in regulatory compliance, clear legal communications, and corporate counsel training. Translate the following dense statutory framework into a crisp, highly actionable executive summary designed for insert target audience, e.g., non-technical startup founders or enterprise managers. Eliminate circular legalese. Structure the requirements into clear, sequential operational rules. Explicitly list mandatory deadline parameters, and outline the exact financial or compliance risks of non-compliance. Here is the text. Insert statutory/regulatory text. Here. Specify your audience and ask for deadlines and risk summaries to make compliance steps unmistakable. Finally, sharpen deposition strategy by modeling adversarial questioning. Act as an elite trial strategist and veteran courtroom cross-examination specialist. I am preparing for a matter involving briefly describe anonymized legal dispute, e.g., a breach of fiduciary duty claim regarding a partnership separation. Based on standard deposition mechanics, provide a structured matrix outlining 4 distinct lines of inquiry designed to expose inconsistencies in the opposing party's narrative. For each line of inquiry, specify the underlying evidentiary goal. Detail 3 sequential, open-ended guiding questions to establish the foundation, and highlight the common evasion tactics or defensive deflections to watch out for. Practice with anonymized facts and refine until the flow feels natural. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.